In this video we'll discuss the another cell organelle which is present only in plant cell. Which is present only in plant cell is known as plastid. So plastid is an cell organelle present only in plant cell, not in animal cell. This plastid these plastids which is present in plant cell, they are three types. One is known as chloroplastid, then another is known as chromoplastid, and last one is leucoplastid. So three type of plastid present in the sorry plant cell. Chloroplastid, they are green in color due to presence of chlorophyll. So chloroplastid green in color due to presence of chlorophyll. So obviously they are present in the green parts of plant like leaves and the green stems, and these plastids are helps in the process like photosynthesis. In this process, plant prepares their foods in the form of glucose. That is why this chloroplastid is known as the kitchen of cell. Kitchen of cell. And this during this process, photosynthesis process, this plastid also this chloroplastid also generate oxygen, and it is released into the atmosphere, and this is the life supporting instrument, also life supporting gases which is necessary for our respiration. Without oxygen we cannot live, which is released during the photosynthesis due to presence of chloroplastid. So this next plastid is known as chromoplastid. This chromo means colorful. So colorful plastid, they are contain yellow, orange, red color pigment. This pigment, suppose, or yellow color pigment known as xanthophyll, orange color pigment known as carotene. So these color pigments which is present in plastid is known as chromoplastid, and these plastids are basically present in flower, fruits, and they helps in pollination, the process to transfer of pollen grains. This process helped by the chromoplastid. Leucoplastid, this is the leucoplastid, the plastid without any pigment. So they are colorless plastid. They are present obviously in the root, the colorless part of the plant, and they store food. They store food in the form of starch. Now this the structure of chloroplastid, or the chloroplastid structure is present in our syllabus. So I'm drawing the chloroplastid structure. This chloroplastid is double membranous structure. This is the outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane. So outer membrane and inner membrane, but in between these two membrane, the space which is present, that is known as periplastidal space. Now the chloroplastid is bounded by double membranous structure, and inside the chloroplastid there is some ground substances. This ground substance is known as stoma. Sorry. And there is some another substance, substance like this coin like structure, just arrange one after another. This coin like structure is known as thylakoid. This is known as thylakoid. On this thylakoid, this chlorophyll pigment is present. So chlorophyll present on the thylakoid membrane, and this total pile structure, piles of thylakoid, is known as grana. So like this structure is present, and the two grana are joined by stoma lamellae. Stoma lamellae. And this is a complete structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast bounded by double membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. In between there is periplastidal press. The ground substance is known as stroma, and the coin-like structure which is present is known as thylakoid, and piles of coins is known as grana, and the grana which is joined by stoma lamellae. In this chloroplast, the thylakoid or grana is the site of light reaction during photosynthesis, and stoma is the site of dark reaction during photosynthesis. In next class, we'll discuss the vacuole stuff.